So this week we're going to look at Greek and Latin prefixes sub, inter, and over. So it's important to look at the meaning of these prefixes to help us with the overall meaning of the word. So the word sub means under, or it could also mean close to. Okay? The word inter means between or among. The word over means above, excessively, or completely. So we're going to look at a couple words and we're going to look at how do we understand the meaning of the word by using the prefixes. So our first word is internet. So first I'm going to look at the base word. The base word is net. Okay, so I'm dividing this prefix inter away from the base word. And then I need to think about, well, what does the base word mean? Net. Well, I know that net is like when you network with people. So it's something that's online, okay? So net is online. Inter means between or among. So I know that if I put both parts together, online, between, among, I know the internet must be something to do with going online between multiple sources, multiple people, among a bunch of people, among a bunch of sources. So now I know the full meaning of the word. The next word I'm going to look at is overreact. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to split up the prefix from the base word, and the word is react. I know that when you react to something, you're responding to something, okay? So it's how you behave because someone or something happens. Okay, so if I know that about the word react, and I know over can mean either above, excessively, or completely. Excessively is like too much. So if I'm going to overreact, I'm going to excessively react. I'm going to respond to something excessively to where it's too much. So I might overreact when someone drops a pencil. The next word is subtitle. Same thing, I'm going to split the prefix from the base word. I know that the title is the name of something, okay? Okay, and then I know sub, the prefix means under or it can mean close to. So the subtitle, if it's the name of something, I'm going to think it's close to the name of something. Or is it under the name of something? So I know a subtitle usually goes within the big title of a book. So you have the title and then you have subtitles. So I know that that must mean that it's under the title. Our next word is suburban. I'm going to look at my base word urban. I know urban is like a city. So if sub is under or close to, a suburban is close to the city. So you might live in a suburban that's right outside the city, but it's close to the city. I'm going to do one more before you're going to practice the rest by yourself. My next word is overeager. The base word is eager. I know eager means like when you're excited about something. So if eager means to be excited, and over can mean above. Above excited doesn't make sense, so I'm going to keep going. Excessively excited, and I know excessively is another word for a lot of. So if I'm really excited, I'm over eager. That seems to make sense. So I'm going to say this means excessively excited. So I'm way too excited than I should be. Go ahead and practice the same routine with the rest of your words, figuring out what does the base word mean, and then using your knowledge of what the prefix means in order to figure out what the entire word means.